How to see blocked accounts on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see blocked accounts on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner to access Settings and Privacy. So select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and choose the Privacy option. Now scroll to the bottom of this Privacy section and you will see Blocked Accounts option. Tap to open it. So we only have one blocked account here. In this way, you can see all your blocked accounts on TikTok. If you wish to unblock them, simply tap on block button at right side of the username and it will be successfully unblocked on TikTok. So that is how we see blocked accounts on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.